Hey guys, this is Ngun again. It's gonna be my, I think the third unboxing. I made purchase in 2021. As you all know that Louis Vuitton has a price increase last week, I believe. The first week of January of 2021. I heard they increased some like 20% or up to 25%, you know, from the previous price. But anyway, anyhow, I'm going to do unboxing today about Dior and a bit of Louis Vuitton pre-love, and I'll show you some other Dior that I have. Okay, so first up that I purchased is here from Fashion File. I already cut off everything to make it easy. So this comes, as you see here, Fashion File package, which you all know already. And here comes with the receipt, envelope receipt, Fashion File, and then of course here the Fashion File calendar 2021 calendar. So that means I purchased this bag in this year. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. So it comes with the dust bag, and then something like to wipe these, to clean, just like a cleaning cloth for the silverware, hardware. And then here's the Dior dust bag. And also it comes with a small tiny bag as well. And oh, this is some key chain, sorry, the key here, Dior key. So, alright, let's reveal it together. Okay, here's the dust bag. Ta-ta! It's here. Oh my god, I love this color. Look at this color. It's a crossbody bag. It's almost like a Chanel bag. Chanel, I'll say about almost jumbo side, kind of Chanel jumbo side, lambskin, and with the the silver hardware, and come with a Dior charm here. It's pretty heavy. I love this chain. And come with also pochette with this is lambskin anyway, and you can detach it, you can remove it, and let's see what's inside. And here, it's so cute, and stamped the Speedy, meaning Christian Dior, and then here is the key. Come with right here. See this. So tiny, so cute, and let's put it back to where it is, and you can remove it if you want to, or you can put it back. I'm gonna put it back since it's too tiny, so I don't want to lose it. And again, here is the Dior keychain, Dior charm, here the charm, and here's the bag. I think it's pretty good, crystal condition. And here, we open up here. So made in Italy, Christian Dior Paris, and everything's leather interior as well. It's super clean, and it's so soft lambskin here inside. Okay, so that is about it for the purchase that I made in 2021. And another one that I made is Louis Vuitton Speedy, multi-color Speedy. I owned it before, and then I'll say last year I sold it in April, summer, I think April or May. I sold it, and because I don't think I use it because of pandemic, and I feel like I have so many bags, so I just tired of it, so I just sold it. But for some reason around Christmas, I think when the Louis Vuitton rolled out the new collection, Game On collection thing, that has kind of similar pattern. So I said, oh, I want that bag again. That's why I purchased it from pre-love, from online, from the website. And here I own it again, a Speedy 30. And as you know, I mean, I don't know, it's about the same thing as other people say. Just the Speedy side is just different pattern, different prints. And it's more hardware here, as you see. It's pretty heavy. So pretty much that's it. price, and I'm glad I purchased this multi-crochet, which I have shown last on my first video, my LV Louis Vuitton unboxing first video I have shown already. And here I am so glad I purchased it before the price increase. And this is gonna be my first. I think I cannot wait to wear this. So I'm excited to rock it with. Okay, another Dior bag, which is the Lady Dior, is here. I also purchased this from Fashion File. I love this print, and this is a pattern leather. I love it. Okay, here's the Dior charm, and this is an older version. And I also have another Dior crossbody bag from Fashion File, and it's still, they're the same pattern, basically, slightly different. This is kind of more, also darker beige, and it's like a lighter beige color. You can see the difference. More lighter, it's more darker. But they were a Christian Dior, and his Dior, and this is also like lambskin, I think. Inside is very soft, and here's the inside, super clean, so roomy, and this is like a 3 credit card slots, and this is roomy. And then here's the Dior print is here, and you can also remove the keychain. The strap, the shoulder chain, you can remove it, then you can use it as a clutch. So I got Dior crossbody bag, and then I got here silver hardware crossbody bag as well. Let me show you real quick. So it's just like this. Okay, so pretty much that's it. So I got 3 Dior bag, and here is the Louis Vuitton. And another Louis Vuitton here, and more to come. So please stay tuned. Please like and share and subscribe our channel. Our channel is Cool Beans Couple. And thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.